Okay, this is kind of a spur of the moment stream. I wasn't actually planning on streaming this, but then I was like, you know what? First impressions, I kind of want to stream this. Um, I was gonna record it, but then I was like, I don't have a lot of space on my PC, so maybe I just don't. Um, so I just need to launch these servers real quick, and then it should work. Okay. You're gonna hear the game before you see it because I haven't set it up to capture and I'm not sure how compatible it is with being captured, but that's fine. I'm also gonna go into the config and turn it down slightly if I can. No, okay. Can't do that in the config. Gotcha. Well, exploring Eorzea is a thrilling experience. During your time here, you will be able to talk, join, and adventure with many other individuals, and an experience that is unique to online games. That being said, we have no desire to see your real life suffer as a consequence. Please do not forget your family, your friends, your school, or your work. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Oh. If you tab out, it doesn't like it. I wonder if there's a way that I can set up a batch file so that I don't have to go in and change the affinity every time. Yeah, okay, so I literally can't. I just gotta deal with whatever volume level it's at. I might be able to change it once it's in game, but I genuinely don't know. That's fine though. It's worth it. Okay. Fingers crossed that it works. I tried to load it before and then realized I hadn't started any of the servers. So it just sat here and loaded for a while, and then it went, yeah, no, there's nothing there, Chief. I have gotten too preemptively excited before I knew whether or not it would work. Because it's starting to look like it's not going to work. Damn. So are those running at all? So Square Enix, Final Fantasy 14. No, sorry. That. I don't think it is. Let me try launching them again. Okay. I think it's working. I have no idea. This wait doesn't seem promising. Come on, buddy. Okay, well, I'm just gonna force crash it because I don't think it's working. I think it's something with the map server. And the reason I say that is because when I run lobby server, everything seems to run just fine. Then tests the connection to the database. When I run world server, it seems to run just fine and tests the connection to the database. When I run map server, oh no, okay. That time it did something different. It seemed to get to the end and test the connection to the database. So maybe we're good. Wouldn't that be cool? Please. Please work. Please work. I'm begging you. Chat, I don't think it's working. No, okay. Lobby server connection encountered an error. Alright, so something's going wrong. It also doesn't seem to want to close. I don't know what that's about, but okay. I wonder if there's a log that I can check. No. Logs. 513. Map.log. Okay, so is there an order that I'm supposed to be doing? Lobby, map, world, it seems like. Okay. Lobby server. And then I don't know if that CMD, that command prompt seems to go away. So, map server. Then world server. And Winamp is running. And Heidi isn't connected? Not sure about Heidi, but that's okay. Launcher. Oh, I forgot to... Silly goose me, I forgot to set the affinity. Okay. I get the feeling if it was working, it would not take very long to load. Because it's basically just connecting to a local server. Also, I need you to understand that while it looks perfectly like... Yeah, okay, the lobby server connection encountered an error. Okay. May have to give up on this tonight. Not sure. Is... No, 7th Umbral is trying to connect to the local server. Yeah, localhost, that's the login URL. And that's my local IP, as far as I know. Alright, well, to be fair, Heidi... No, Heidi is connected to it. Is it supposed to be named something? I don't think so. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, 14 servers running. All of it is online and there. Well, not online, but you know what I mean. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Let's go through. And check the different logs. That's map.log. Which is in the lobby server for some reason. I think all of them are new to map.log. Yeah, loads lobby config.ini, which I think should be fine. Yeah, it's the right host, it's the right port. At least on map server. Let me check the others. Yep, that's correct as well. And the world server. Also correct. And what does its log look like? Yeah. It seems like it's working just fine. Could it just be that I have the solution open in Visual Studio still. I can't imagine that would be the problem, but wait, what was that? No? Did something about line 61. No, and now it's just uh, hmm. Hmm. Server bin. World server bin release. World server. Okay. I'm gonna try it again. And if it doesn't work, I'll probably just wait until I get a response from the person that is helping me. Because I have an amount of knowledge on the topic of computers and networking. I do not know enough about this to know where it's going wrong. And I can fully admit that. I'm fairly certain I can tell you already that it's not working. I'm gonna let it run through, just in case it just takes a while to load the game, but seems like no. No. Okay. So it just times out trying to connect. Tools. Test port 3306. I can't tell if what I just received is a error or not.
Today I'm going to address the issue people are experiencing with later versions of Windows 10 and 11. It will automatically show up in Visual Studio after the install. Command.repair line quest was only on LizardDizzle's build, so right now it's a walking sim all the way through. There's no combat, 294.
You know what? To be fair, didn't try running them as an administrator. Didn't think I'd have to, but I don't think that changed anything. Once more with vigor. Hmm. I don't think this is the same. No, this is a JavaScript app platform. Someone's saying remove the no auto create user from the SQL my.ini. You know what? Sure. Let's try it. Restart all services. I'll let that handle itself for a moment. Alright. All services running. Wonderful. Let's try launching these. Okay, that didn't... My understanding is the command prompt is supposed to stay open. And it's not. Let me... Here we can... What was this little side thing? My navigation pane. There we go. Alright, let me give you guys a little glimpse into what I'm doing here. Instead of just having it be... Okay, so... I'm trying to run these servers. It should keep that command prompt open, is my understanding. It's not. And I don't know why. As far as I know, I've done it correctly. Setting up the login server. That's done. The login server works. It's these. That is the wrong folder. Okay. So okay. Don't know if that's all I needed to do. Doesn't seem like it. Run as administrator. Okay, that didn't change anything. And just to be 100% certain. Hold on. Hello, Aurora. Hold on, I gotta close something I didn't realize I had open. It's just... There we go. So, so what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to host. I'm tired, but I'm alive, and that's we take them where we get them. You know. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to run and play a Final Fantasy XIV 1.0 server, because the version of the game that we're playing is, well, technically 7.2, but it was a completely different game back then. This is just someone kind of running around in there, and you can tell it's like a different game. It's obviously much more dated, but I'm curious about running around in there, finding out what it's like, and just seeing what functions. I've had a very kind person on Discord helping me, um, but they're not in the United States, so they are not awake right now, as far as I know. Or if they are, they're like at work or have something that they're doing because they have like a life. Um, Thank you, Aurora. I appreciate it. However, I think I may have to give up on this tonight. In which case, I will be ending stream because I don't have anything else that I wanted to do on stream. Because I can't seem to get the lobby server to connect, and I'm not sure what the problem is. Or I can't seem to get it to start, even. Yeah, I have not skipped step 3. Hmm. Trying to see if there's anything that I've missed, but I don't think so. Yeah. That's copied over. That's also copied over. I'm confused on why lobby would have 000. Just for the hell of it. let's see what happens if we edit that. I don't know why I edited it there, since it actually needs to be here that I edit it. But, you know, maybe that's what it is. Who knows? Nope. Okay. Boo, plate dress to impress. No. I just don't know. I mean, I guess I could always... See, I'm trying to run this Dizzle thing, and this is the same thing, but not. Oh, that already has a post-build copy as well. That's crazy. Make you play it one day, I'll slowly infect everyone. Good luck. Let me open Visual Studio. I'm gonna turn off my display capture for a moment so that I can do that without accidentally doxing myself. Open the local folder. Source tree clone. Select folder. Dox yourself for fun. Don't feel like it. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Not really feeling like doxing myself for fun. Meteor solution. Okay, NuGet packages are good. So we're gonna build solution. We should get a complete for 3 succeeded, 1 up to date. Okay. And then we'll run the post build copy. Oh, right. Fuck. Before I do that, navigate to the location the game client has installed to. Next, Final Fantasy 14. Data? Yeah. Data. No. No. Client script. RQ9Q. Copy that. Source tree clone. Data. Static actors. Bin. Yes. Post build copy. So now, lobby server bin. Oh, and then I need to compile the server. Right. Build, rebuild solution. Four succeeded. Awesome. Love to see it. should be good to run lobby server. Oh? So that's working. So why is Dizzle not working? Do I need to recompile it? Let's recompile it. Meteor solution. Rebuild solution. Or succeeded. Cool. No, okay, that's not working. Well, whatever. We'll just do this one since it seems to actually be working. I don't know why it's working, but lobby server started. Map server seems to have started. Alright, we just need the world server. Yeah. Okay. Sure. I'll take it. 7th Umbral, 7th Umbral launcher, launcher.exe. Then we need to go into here, find it, set affinity, turn off CPU 15, sign in. If I click off, it's gonna crash. Damn it. Okay, let me do that again, because I realized I didn't have chat open, so it was not gonna, I wasn't gonna be able to see chat, and that was not ungood. Okay, so servers are running. In theory. So this should work. Oh! We got here, Elizin, Lalafell, Kote, and Rugadin. I'm gonna be Makote, because of course I am. I think that's the one that my... This is so loud, by the way. Yeah, I don't know how loud it is for you guys, but it's very loud for me. Why is it odd eyes? Quite loud on my end. Yeah. Well. Yay! Haha! Characteristics. Characteristic 1. Sure, yeah. Yay! Haha! Uh-uh. Oh, PC. PC no like. Oh, good heavens. Oh. Configuration. System. Frame rate limit. We're gonna limit us to 30 and see if that helps. Yeah, okay. That helps a little. Audio. Oh, thank God. Okay. Wait, was there no jumping? I can't jump. This is terrible. Where am I? Jumping hasn't been invented yet, apparently. What in the goddamn hell? Hold on, Eorzea. We're in the Black Shroud, right? So we'll go there. Current location. What does Mordona look like? Okay, it's not going to show me. That's fine. Right. Yeah, not a clue where I'm at, by the way. Don't know what C is used for. M does not open the map. No, sorry, it does, just not. Oh, okay, Gridania's over there. Let me go to Gridania. That should be pretty much the same. I don't know, is Dalamud in the sky? I can't, I don't see it, so I would assume not. Gear. Oh, they had like undershirts? Oh. There we go. Passive mode. Okay, unable to equip. Thank God. There we go. Okay, now why are we walking, though? We were running just a moment ago. Is it that you only run in... Surely that's not the case. Okay. What? No. Why are we walking? Configuration. Keyboard. Movement. Walking mode. Num1 X. I see. Yeah. Also, these running animations are still better than 14's. They only just recently added that you lean in when you run like this, but like when you stop, you like have this very realistic slow down. When you turn around, you don't just snap around. Your character like turns around. When you turn, there's like movement to it. Did I go the right way? Yeah, I did. This is so interesting to me. Is it actually? Because it's interesting to me as someone who played the original game, not the original game, the current version of the game. But I cannot imagine this being interesting to people who do not play this game. Yes, I'm not being sarcastic, and I don't play this game at all. Okay. If you say so. Wait. Did they not have zone changes? Am I just, like, in the Shroud now? Or in, Gridania now? Yeah. Okay. What the fuck? Why is this not a thing? In the game, when if you went from the Central Shroud to, um... to Gridania, that's just a loading screen. Riveting. Oh, that's different. I kind of like the no loading screen better. Yeah, me too. I don't understand why it wouldn't be like that. This would be the place for the innkeeper, but there are no NPCs, so we vibe. Oh fuck. I forgot if I click off of it, it crashes. Fuck. Hmm. Well, let's not explore too much, because I want to... The ultimate goal is to set it up so that I can host a server separate of my computer and then have everyone else connect to it and then be able to, like, run around together. No idea what we do, but I think that'll be all for tonight. Just wanted to, like, do that on stream and have my first looks be documented. Thank you for stopping by, Aurora. I'm gonna head out. Yeah, exactly. Just exploring. Maybe figure out if I can spawn any enemies and, like, fight them. I can give people levels so that they can do shit. I don't know. We'll see. Have a good night.